In my previous videos, sometimes I talked about machine learning algorithms. So stray videos, there are a lot of different other things connected with that discussion. Today, we are going to or trying to understand how these machine learning algorithms work. Hello and welcome to Students.Let, a channel for intelligent and curious people like you. Before we proceed, let me tell you one thing. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. And if you have already subscribed, tons of thanks for your support. The number one is reinforcement learning. And you will find in a moment that there is a similarity between these machine learning algorithms and our nature. I'm just going to take you to that point also. First of all, reinforcement learning, right? This is a type of machine learning algorithms where robots learn by interacting with their environment, just like humans. Actually, we also learn by interacting with our environment. From our childhood, we learn what is hot, what is cold, and we learn or hear sounds and understand the nuances of speech, speaking, etc., etc. We actually learn from the environments, right? So we try to make these robots also so that they can also learn from the environments. Not only that, just if you ask a child that please tell me something like this, so that child obeys your instruction and says something that you want to hear from them. At that point, you reward that child, right? Good, very good. You pat their backs and give them some sweets or something like that. You reward them so that they are encouraged to develop their skills, right? So same thing happens with the robots also. When robots are able to learn more from the environment, we reward them and they receive rewards. And on the contrary, if they can't do that, we also they also receive penalties for their actions. So they learn to make decisions that maximize the rewards. This is similar to how humans learn through trial and error. That is I want to say. Second most important machine learning algorithm is deep learning. Deep learning, okay? These algorithms, that means algorithms means you know that nothing but instructions. So deep learning instructions are inspired by the structure and function of the human brain. Here, the robots are particularly good at tasks that involve perception, such as object recognition and image classification. As a result, this allows robots to understand and interact with their surroundings in a more human-like way. Number 4 is supervised learning. That means there is some kind of supervision is there, you can guess. It's a type of machine learning where robots are trained on a data set of labeled examples. Like this is labeled A that categorizes some data. Okay, label B categorizes some data. And there are a lot of learnings are inside those data. So that from those data sets, the robots can learn. As a result, this allows them to learn to recognize patterns and make predictions. For example, a robot could be trained on a data set of images of objects, and then it would be able to recognize those objects in the real world. Okay, so if you have data sets of a lot of computers, so that a robot can, when sees a computer or finds a computer before the robot can recognize the nature of the computer itself. Okay, whether it's a LED or LCD or something like that, or what kind of CPU is there, or what kind of chips are attached to it, etc. because you have a lot of data sets with images of those objects. Finally, there are unsupervised learning. It's a type of machine learning where robots learn to find patterns in data without being given any labels. So this allows them to discover new and interesting things about their environment. For example, a robot could see unsupervised learning to cluster objects into groups based on their similarities. So suppose they are not labeled as computers, but there are a lot of computers in one place, or they are scattered. In that case, a robot can recognize that, okay, this is this thing looks like that thing. So they find the pattern, similar patterns, and match them and group them. That is called unsupervised learning. Now, these are just a few of the many machine learning algorithms. There are more, and I will talk about those algorithms in my future videos, of course, because as we move ahead, we will try to understand our robot partners better in every way, in every possible way. Anyway, now the question that comes to my mind is, there are a lot of algorithms, and there are a lot of algorithms are coming every day. It's okay, but how much time it will take for robots to act and behave fully like humans? Can we predict that? Can we guess, at least, based on the recent development and the way they learn of these algorithms and the algorithms are developed? Now look, predicting an exact timeline for robots to fully mimic human behavior is really very challenging task, because due to the complexity of human cognition is the most complex thing, isn't it? And the rapid pace of technological advancement are also there, but still it's very challenging. And we can at least say that significant progress has been made in recent years, especially in some areas, and I would like to tell you those areas where we have done a lot of advancement. Number one is physical abilities. Robots are increasingly capable of performing complex tasks, such as walking, running, jumping, okay, manipulating objects with dexterity, etc. Cognitive abilities are also very much developed now. AI, that means artificial intelligence advancements, enable robots to understand and respond to natural language, especially in the language category, so that they can recognize objects and even recognize emotions, and even learn from their experience. Finally, the social interaction. If you come to the social interaction, robots are being developed to engage in meaningful social interaction, exhibiting empathy and understanding human emotions, which we said in the beginning of this video. So, while it's very difficult to pinpoint a specific date, time, experts believe or suggest that we might see robots with human-like abilities or capabilities within the next few decades. So you can expect by 2050, that means after 25 years or maximum 30 years max, by 3 decades of course, we can achieve true human level intelligence and consciousness. Although I still believe that it's a very challenging task, and development of human-like robots raises a lot of ethical considerations, including questions about autonomy, responsibility, and the potential impact on society also. So as technology progresses, it's crucial to have thoughtful discussions and regulations to ensure that robots are developed and used in a way that benefits humanity. It should not be against humanity. Thanks for watching. A little bit lengthy video, I know, but still we have learned a lot of things, and we can at least say that by 30 years or 25 years, we can see more human-like robots around us. So see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, stay safe.